Hey, what's up with you guys? It's Ethan here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install Alpha EA Incubator with Alpha EA Incubator. So as you might know guys, Alpha EA Incubator is the indicator itself. It also comes with an EA that automates everything, and I'm going to show you how to install both of them with the settings. So it's pretty cool, pretty easy, probably takes 2 to 3 minutes, maximum 5 minutes, and after that everything is set, ready to go. So as you can see guys, I'm on one of my accounts on EURUSD 15-minute time frame, and I'm going to remove everything and show you everything from scratch. So this is by the way, this is Profit Master Incubator, which is an automated calculator for manual traders. So it automatically calculates your risk to reward ratio and lot size if you actually use it like this. So I'm going to show you how to do it because it's a gift, and I give it away for free for people who have access to Alpha EA Incubator license. So it's completely free of charge if you are a manual trader. So let's get into Alpha EA Incubator indicator first, and I'm going to show you how you can install it, which is absolutely crazy easy. Okay guys, as you can see, Alpha EA Incubator here, I just drag and drop it, super easy, and then you'll see that there is nothing crazy going on. There is about, tab, common, inputs, colors, and visualization. So since I have a white background, I'm going to change my white color to black so I'll be able to see the signals, otherwise I won't be able to see them. So let me not to change them because I want you to see what happens if I don't. So in common, this is very important guys. If you are using this indicator on major pairs, there's a different preset file for that. But if you want to use it on US30, then another preset file. So there are two preset files. People who have access to this EA should have already got them, and they just need to click load. And it's either or major pairs preset or US30 preset. So let's say this is EURUSD. I'm going to go for major pairs preset. Open. As you can see, some numbers change. Very simple, and nothing is crazy going on. So after you change this, you click OK, and you see that Alpha EA Incubator pops up on your screen. And if you already got the license, it should automatically get activated. So as you can see guys, I cannot see any signal, so there's nothing going on here, and it's pretty empty. So the only thing I need to do is to change the color. That's what I said, in order to be able to see the signals that this indicator has given us. Black, this one is black, the next one is also black, and then okay, and boom. As you can see guys, look at this accurate signal that we got this morning, and it's on 15-minute time frame. This is what we recommend. You can put it on any time frame, on any pair. There is no limit, but we've tested it on different time frames. 15 minutes in our opinion is one of the best. If you want to go for 5-minute time frame, you can go for 5-minute time frame. The signals are still fire, but 15-minute time frame is kind of good. Then you can, you know, accurately take the signals all the way to the middle line. So the target is the middle line, and close your trades. So if you're using the EA, it's a completely different story. I'm saying this stuff for people who are using the indicator by itself without the EA. Then you want to do manual trading, you get Profit Master Incubator free of charge as a gift. It's super easy to use that, and Profit Master Incubator is an EA. You drag and drop it on your screen, it activates, and then you go to common, to input, sorry, and here you activate automatic lot, and you actually command this EA that how much you're willing to risk per trade, and it automatically calculates your lot size according to your balance. How cool is that? You don't have to spend, I don't know, a few minutes on different websites to find out which lot size you need to use. You literally go for the percentage. You tell this EA that you want to risk 1% or 0.5%, whatever. You click OK, and then let's say that you want to sell right here, or you want to put your sell stop here. You click sell, and I'm going to show you how you put your entry here. Look at this. I'm going to put my entry right here. So this is my sell stop, and my stop loss exactly right. Look at the stop loss guys. This is the amount according to my balance, and this is the lot size that it automatically choose for me. Okay, I didn't do anything. If I keep moving my TP, as you can see, the amount changes, but if I keep moving my stop loss, then my lot size will change, because it's risking 1% no matter where I put my stop loss. That's a cool thing. So let's say I want to put it here, and now my stop loss is saying as $1,000 because this is 1% of my capital, and lot size keep changing. So if I click OK, so I need to turn this one on first, and if I click OK, you see that my position is open right now. So this is my sell stop here, and I know I'm risking 1%, which is absolutely crazy. So let me quickly do the same thing with GBPUSD. I changed the time frame to 50 minutes, okay, and then I'm going to play this one. I go to Alpha EA Incubator, drag and drop. I change the colors to black, and then what happens is that you'll get the signals, and I have the preset files. Let's say the preset files are set. I'm gonna go for major pairs, open, done, and here's what I get for GBPUSD. See how fast I did it? How much time did it take me? Probably 10 seconds, and you're set. You got the signals, you can get your positions, you close it in the middle line. If you want to close it all the way to the next line, you can do it, but I don't really recommend it. And if you want to do it, I already explained it, you can take 2 positions, and you can have 2 different TPs. So the first one can get closed in the middle line, the second one can be all the way up to here. But when your first TP hits, then I recommend you to move the second position's stop loss to break even, so in case if it wants to reverse and stop you out, then you're not losing anything and you already made your profit. That's what I recommend. But if you want to go like 1% one trade, I recommend you to close it in the middle line. But the signals are super accurate. Look at this one here, all the way to the middle line, 60 pips. Look at this one, all the way 43 pips. Look at this one, all the way to 80 pips. So that's how it works. You get the preset files, you get everything. So now it's time to install the EA. So when you do the EA, guys, you don't have to load your preset file for the indicator, because there's a different preset files for the EA, and you basically put the indicator first and then the EA on top of that. And this is Alpha EA Incubator. I'm gonna drag and drop it. As you can see, guys, Alpha EA Incubator. There's comment, there's about, nothing very special is going on, and then there is different preset files for low risk and mid risk. So you're gonna be given 2 different preset files, low risk, mid risk, and you know how to actually increase the lot size for high risk if you want to. But we're gonna give you 2 preset files. You can literally change the lot size right here. We recommend 0.1 for $100,000. Okay, and it's gonna be super low risk. Okay, so for example, you make 0.3, 0.4% a week if you put it on that. But I personally put it on 1 lot size, and here's the trick that it's very important, guys. As I said, this EA works on any pair on any time frame. So sometimes people get excited. Okay, so how many pairs should I use? Should I go for all of them? I'm gonna make too much profit. Boom, 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 boom. No, we've done it before. We put it on literally 10 different pairs. The profit was absolutely insane in the first 3 days. After the 4th day, drawdown, deep drawdown. So what we realized is that it's way better to install this EA on 2 negatively correlated pair. What do I mean by that? So for example, you can put it on Euro USD and USD Swiss franc. That makes sense, because if Euro USD goes up, USD Swiss franc comes down, they can kind of hedge each other. I'm not saying that this is a hedging strategy, it's not. I'm saying that this one works based on price action, and when you put it on these 2 pairs that are negatively correlated, then it can balance, make so much profit. The drawdown is also super low. And you can change the settings here as well. See these exponents right here. Don't be scared of this strategy, guys. This is not what you think. It's not actually the martingale strategy. It's not. It's a strategic, very strategic, and it's mainly using price action, volume, a little bit of martingale. It's not a martingale EA. Martingale EAs are not profitable. I'm telling you, they are not profitable. Like martingale EAs, the actual martingale EAs, they're not profitable at all. So it's just the settings that you can change. And if you put it at 1.5, then it's kind of mid risk. If you put it at 1.3, it's lower risk, and you can expect lower drawdown as well. So there are two different preset files, and people who have access to the EA will be able to get that, and when they load it, the exponent will automatically change, the lot size change. But this is what we've experienced. You can literally do everything with it. You can put it on any pair, as I said, you can put it on any time frame, but we put it on 1 minute time frame for the EA. Okay, so when you put this EA on this indicator, okay, when you put this EA on this indicator, put it on 1 minute time frame. This is what we've been using so far, and the results are really good. You can put it on 5:15, but it's way better to put it on 1 minute time frame with the EA. And if you want to trade manually, 15-minute time frame would be the best. Or if you want to trade US30 with the indicator alone and without the EA, you can put it on 5 minutes above, 5, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour for US30. So these are very, very important points, guys. Listen carefully, because this is something that we've tested a lot, we lost a lot, and now we're giving you the golden nuggets. Okay, so take it, and it's gonna help you a lot. It's gonna make you super, super profitable. And if you want to find out about like the results of this EA and everything, I highly recommend you to join our Telegram channel. The link is down in the description below. We have like daily results on a daily basis about Turbo Gold Incubator, about this one, everything. So if you want to see more results, I recommend you to check it out and see what it's doing every day and how we are able to pass challenges. So that's how it works, guys. If you have any question, leave your comment in the description below. In the comment section, sorry. We'll get back to you as soon as possible.